father's voice has gone silent, but echoes still remain through every heart in Goan, through every joy and pain. You stood for truth and courage, with faith held in your hand. Now heaven sings beside you, while tears fall on this land. Rest now, dear Father Bolmax, your light will never fade. A true son of